Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video. I had a rear driver's side manifold exhaust leak on my 2005 GMC Sierra 6.0, and I ordered one of the brackets. The repair brackets, and I wished I would have made a video before so you could hear it, how bad it sounded. But I mean, when you start it up you can't hear it at all, but when you get into the gas a little you can hear it some, but it's still not that bad. But yeah, there it is, 2 bolts. Then well, let me see, get a better look here, maybe. See if you can see that bolt up top, bolt there. I put it on from underneath. It wasn't that bad. It took me about 15 minutes to install it. But yep, there it is. Start it up, let you guys hear it. Oh, shoot. Ow. Gotta go grab my keys. Oh, shoot. I'll be right back, Ruford. Come here so I can see you. Look, there's my black lab, Ruford. It's hard to see in the dark. Anyway, start this thing up. Let you guys hear it. Yeah, I wished I would have made a video before I installed it so you could so you could hear the difference. It made a whole lot of difference. I'm satisfied with the $24 I spent. But yeah, that's about it. I can't remember. I ordered it off eBay, but I can't remember exactly which company made it. The one I ordered, I think, come from